Have you ever wondered how cars are tested for safety during collisions? It's a fascinating process, intricately carried out to ensure that every vehicle on the road is as safe as possible. Today, we delve into the intriguing world of car safety testing. The process begins with a concept, a vision of a car that is not only stylish and efficient, but also safe. Designers and engineers work together to create a vehicle that can withstand severe impacts. They use computer simulations to predict how different designs will react to various crash scenarios. These simulations provide initial insights into how well the car will protect its occupants during a collision. Next comes the phase of prototyping. Engineers create full-scale models of the car, often out of clay or other easily moldable materials. These models allow them to test the physical aspects of the design before moving into production. They test everything from the car's shape and size to the materials used in its construction, all with safety as a prime consideration. Once the prototype passes the preliminary tests, it's time for the real deal: crash testing. This is where things get really dramatic. The car is fitted with crash test dummies, which are sophisticated models that mimic the human body's behavior during a collision. The car is then driven into obstacles at various speeds and from various angles. This rigorous testing process helps to identify any weaknesses in the car's safety design. High-speed cameras capture every moment of the crash, providing invaluable data on how the car's structure deforms during the collision. This footage is later analyzed by experts who use it to refine the car's design. Post-crash, the car and dummies are meticulously examined. Every dent, every scratch, every injury sustained by the dummies is scrutinized to understand how the car behaved during the crash and how it can be improved. This process is repeated multiple times, with each test providing valuable feedback that goes back into the design process. The goal is to create a car that can withstand the worst-case scenarios and keep its occupants as safe as possible. In conclusion, car safety testing is a rigorous, methodical process that involves computer simulations, prototype testing, and real-world crash tests. It's a process that is continually evolving, with manufacturers always striving to create vehicles that are not only stylish and efficient, but also safer. So the next time you buckle up in your car, remember the intricate testing process it went through to ensure your safety on the road.